I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Now search and select Mailup. To get client ID and client secret, please go to your Mailup account. Go to Settings. Go to Advanced Settings. Click on Developers Corner. Click New API Key. Give a name of your application. Give a developer name. Put notes on application. Click Request Keys. Now copy client ID, go to Bit Integrations Dashboard and paste it here. Copy client secret, go to Bit Integration Dashboard and paste it here. Now click on Authorize. Log on to your Mailup account. Successfully authorized. Click on Next. Select your list. Select your groups. Now map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features. Click Next. Now click Finish and Save. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Let's check our Mailup account. Click on Recipients. Click on Email. As you can see, mail successfully sent to Mailup. Thanks for watching.